And I begin with the STE, a new product, a brand new product. I use the short version. I can better show you the technical. My name is Charlie, and when you have questions, please in the chat for Kerstin or for Patricia. So this is the new one, STE from BESSEY. They have three sizes, 2.5 meter, 3 meters, and 3 meters 70 centimeters long. We have clamping force, so until 350 kilo clamping force. And it's a very new design. We become last year the silver prize of design. It's very good. And now I talk about the technical. The technical is you have here a lever. You can pump the pipe out, or you can pull out the pipe for the position. You can pump on the position, but you cannot lift a heavy item. This is not for made the plaster boards or a metal plank cannot lift off on this. It's only for made the right position and very quickly. When you're on the right position, then you turn it in clockwise direction, and then comes the pressure. It's very easy. When you want to lose the drywall, the STE, we have here a button. But when the force is very high, you cannot push the button. You need counterclockwise, and then you can push the button, and the pipe goes in the tube. So, and now we have here special pressure plates. You see 4 holes, and we can accessories assembly here, or you can use it in 45 degrees, more or less so. But when you use it in this position, you need to screwing in the hole on the floor or on
Yes.
the plasterboard.
You can ask Ryan, he did it. No, those were used at my place.
Is a question or?
I don't know, you'll have to hear Ryan. But he has downloaded them. He should have them backed up somewhere.
And now I talk about of this tool of many.
Those were done in my workshop.
In first, we have a construct tripod like this. And when you're out on the packet, like this. So, and made all feet together. So, like this, so. And then you have a stative. So, and the special of this stative is when you close it here, so it stays stable with the 3 feet. And when you work on the stage, it's not a problem. Look, you can stand it on a stage. Very easy to work on a stage or on the floor. So the next one is we have here a laser holder. And you can move it 360 degrees in a lot of positions for the lasers, lamps, photos, cameras. It's not a problem. You can use it on this pipe or on this pipe, like this. So, and then fix the position. And very important is this small screw here. This is a universal screw. they can fix a lamp or fix a camera, for example, for the YouTuber or other people. And then you can, what you do, can you film, make pictures, or for the laser. All these tools, you can fix it on this screw on the pipe. So the next one is when you are working with drywall and do you want fix plasterboard on the ceiling, and for example this is too small, the pressure plate, you can expand with the other pressure plate to have a bigger surface for material, for sensitive surfaces. It's very easy, have 4 screws, and then you can fix it here very easy, like this. And then you have a very big surface here. This aluminum plate have here a rubber. It's a little bit not good sliding, and it's very good for sensitive surfaces. And then we have now other ceiling tripod like this. And the difference between this tripod and this, when you assembly here, you can move it in a lot of angles. But this stay stable. And then you see, stay very stable. And then you can, for example, can lying small plasterboard or other or tools on this side. And then you can do it on the right position. And then you can work very easily. Have you some questions about these tools, this tripod construction, or the special pressure plate? You can write it in the chat, for example. Okay, then the last or the next one. I need 1 second, please. So, and now maybe you see it. We have from German TÜV a GS sticker. This is a quality TÜV sticker from BESSEY. It's very good. So, and then I will show you the back for the STE. You can do inside in the back. You can do 2.5 meter, 3 meter, and 3 meter 70. So, like this. When you open the back, open complete. When you open the back, you see the special. You can fix it. The STE inside. So. So in the next, you can carry with this bag 2 STCs. It's very easy to do in the bag. So and so. And then you can close. close the back, and now I have 2.5 meter inside, and then you can do it smaller, like this, and now the STE is very good in the back. And now, for example, we have here outside small bags to maybe do inside, I don't know, for example, this special blade laser holder, maybe for the influencer or so, cameras, and you have all in one in the packet, and then you can go to the work. So I'm back. Was a short commercial break. You see here the new one-hand clamp family. The difference is the force, but all the clamps the same name, but for the size, we look it on the close, AZS, AZM, AZL, and AZXL. This is a very strong one-hand clamp. We have here 20 kilo clamping force. So this 75 kilo clamping force, 140 and 270 kilo clamping force. It's very strong. All the one-hand clamp have here a V-groove. You see it? Maybe, for example, you can fix round things or other things. And all the clamps with the button here, you can change from clamp to the spread. And then you can pump on the spread. And now, for example, for what I need to have spread or clamping, look at this. Maybe do you want to make and fix and glue a small box? And now you press here, and maybe, for example, the pressure is too high, and here is a bow or other things, and then you can change your auto clamp. So do it inside. And now you can spread, and the form is very good and fine, and the glue can work on this. This is the special of clamping and for spreading, holding the form and other sides. So this one, the AZXL, they have different lengths from different sizes from the rail. Here different sizes from rail, and from the XSZL is two sizes, only two sizes, and the small one is only this size. A lot of people ask me why, for what we need to have this small clamp, this small one-hand clamp. This small one-hand clamp is very good when you repair wood instrumental, toys from the children, or a church organ, when you have no place, when you have no space for inside, and you have 20 kilo clamping force, and you can exactly make the force when you have sensitive material. And the other clamps is for assemble on a fair, in the factory with the woodworkers, carpenters, and it's very easy. You can close very easy with one hand, sliding, and it's a good tool for assembly a lot of things. When you have questions about the clamps, the one-hand clamps, you can write it written in the chat. So, and now I change the clamp. The next clamp is the new clamp of the for rails, AZR. So, this is the carton. This is the carton. There's two pieces inside. And for example, I think you know this is clamp. We have this a lot of time in the range, in the catalog. And you know, you can fix it, the rail here. I come in the front. You can fix it, the rail here on top. So, and then you can cut here with the circle saw. And now we have a new one. This is a special head for the rail. You can do it here inside. So, and then you can fix it with one hand. It's very easy. And the special of the clamp is when you turn the head like this, do you have a normal one-hand clamp with 70-75 kilo clamping force. Here this special adapter, now you can use it when you like to make a U-form or things. You can change it from the movable to the fix it. It's not a problem or so. And then you have a normal one-hand clamp for gluing, for assembly, for a lot of things. So, and now, and spread, it's not a problem too. And now, when you finish with gluing, with other things, comes back the adapter. So, and now is it finished for fix the rail. For example, I will show you. So it's very easy. And now you can cut with a circle saw. So the next new clamp is a all steel clamp. So you see this here, it's a new version of all steel clamp, but the benefit is the handle. You can open when you twist here, spin here with the handle, but when you lost the power in the hand, you can click up and the swivel handle, and then you can make the rest of power. And you see we have free on the rail. You can turn it 360 degrees around and do it together. So clamping force is 500 kilo, and it's very easy to working with metal and working with the woodworkers, with carpenters. It's very good when you have no power. You can do it the rest here. So the last the last clamp in this group is our patented GearKlamp. This is a polyamide plastic. We have here a button to slide very quickly. So 200 kilo clamping force. And in ground, in the base, we have here a screw clamp, like this. This is a screw clamp. You have here the spindle, the handle, pressure plate, sliding arm. And we have here the spindle, the handle. And when I turn the handle over the rail, you see, for example, you turn the spindle. And we have here inside the movable, a small gear. And we are looking to the material for aerospace. You see this? When I turn the handle, they turn the spindle. And this gear is 1 by 1. When you turn the handle, you feel complete in front what you press with the spindle. This is important for the carpenters. It's the same here for the normal Tempogus TG. When you twist the handle, you feel the pressure. And here is the same. You feel the pressure too. This is important for the craftsman. And now I come to the benefit for this, or about this clamp. So I have here small board, and now you have here damaged or repair, or you need do other thing to glue, to drilling or so. And then you take a normal clamp. You have no space to go inside this room, this space. Handle is too long. Now, so, and with the GearKlamp, it's very easy to work, can close very easy. And very important for the carpenters, all the carpenters know this problem. Do you want glue on the closed surface? And then you take a clamp, a normal clamp, and you cannot fix it right. You cannot hold the handle, you cannot turn, you can do nothing. And now, with the GearKlamp, for example, here, push the button, sliding very fast, close the clamp, and fixing to gluing for special place with 200 kilo clamping force. You see this? When the clamp is closed, you not can push the button. You open a little bit, and then you can open the sliding arm. With the pressure, you cannot open with the button. Turn it back, then you can open this. We have 4 sizes of the rails. Is it in the catalog, in the range, in the list? You can read all details of this clamp. So now, my friends, I want to talk about assembly table. with 20 millimeter holes. And now in this time we have a lot of tools for this sustainer in our sustainer in the assembly table for Festool and Sortimo. There's 20 millimeter, the hole is the size. You can work with, you know it, the GT from the rail. You can do it so inside. Then can you fix? It's very easy, and then you can drilling, maybe cutting, sawing a little bit, painting. Can do a lot of with the spindle and with the lever. When you have a big vibrations on the assembly table, so it's better you use the lever clamp. So next, I think you remember of the GearKlamp, and we made now a clamp for this assembly table with both 20 millimeter. You can stick inside, so, and then you can fix a piece of wood on the workbench or this table. They have clamping force, so 50 kilo clamping force. It's enough for drilling or a little bit coloring or sawing or so. But not when you have a lot of or strong vibrations, please use this lever. When I have not so much vibration, is the TV Klee is good. So the next one, maybe you know, we have STC. We made a hole in the base of the STC, and then you can assemble this bolt, 20 millimeter, and then you can stick it on the assembly table. But you cannot use only stick in. You need to fix it below the table, and then you can work exactly. When you not fix it below, you see it. It's working in the hole here. It's working in the hole and then damaged the hole. This is not a good. It's not a good idea. Not damage the hole. Fix it with the screw. So, and then it's work very easy with the toggle clamp. We have here this horizontal closing, this vertical closing, and here the next version, inliner closing. It's a lot of clamps, a lot of tools of the assembly table with the 20 millimeter holes. But all the STC need to fix below the table. So, and now I will show you the complete new product. Hier hast du nochmal. I have here this horizontal fixture clamp. I have here the packet. There's 2 pieces inside and 4 screws. There's 2 clamps, tools inside, 2 hooks, and 4 screws to fix it below the assembly tape. But you can use it like this. When the hole is, everything is okay with the holes, you can use it without the screw. But when the screw is damaged, you fix it below the table. But when is everything okay, the holes are new or so, you not need the screw to fix this tool. And now we have, what can you do with this tool? You see this? You use the hook like this, do it in the hole, so, and here, and then fix it here the material. So, and now you can grinding over the edge. I will show you. You see it, and that's when you want to grinding the surface for colored or for other things. Then you can come to outside. So, and now I will show you the benefit of our tool, of this horizontal fixture clamp. This is a tool from other clamp. They do the same. Fix a wood panel on the assembly table. But all the other brands do the same. When I press on the wood panel, you look at here on this place. You see that? They lift up. And this is the problem for the carpenters. You see it, lift up complete. And our tools do the same. It's not lift up. They are pressed down. You see it? You see it on this line? They push down the wood panel. And this is the benefit of our tool, of this horizontal fixture clamps. In the spare part, you can buy more hooks when you need it. Maybe, for example, do you want to grinding around things? So then you need two hooks, and when you need, or you must fix it on below with the screw, it's not a problem. We have in spare part a packet with 4 screws and 4 hooks, and 2 hooks and 4 screws are in the packet from the horizontal fixture clamp. So, have you see it on the page, the whole range about the tools from STC, horizontal fixer clamp. And the benefit is really other brands lift up the wood panel, our tool push down. And it's very fixed. The carpenters not like when work with this tool and the wood panel lift up. They not want this. So when you have no questions, when you have no questions about us, we have the chat open, so more or less 10 minutes. Kerstin, can you read your questions? I hope. Yeah. Thank you from me. Thank you for your time. I hope we see us in next time. And greetings from BESSEY.